Hi guys, welcome back to my humble abode. Sorry that I've been a bit absent on the vlog channel. Just to catch you up on a few bits. I'm not really sure how well you can tell. Okay, this room is just really empty. This is like our dining room at the moment. I need to put the cheese back in the fridge. As you can see, we've been playing cards, but the colour has changed. I don't actually know how much I've showed you of like the living room and dining room yet. But I've definitely showed this in a main channel video where I was like scraping off the wallpaper. So we've now actually repainted this whole room. So the dining room area is through this way, and then there's like an arch up here, and then this is the living room. And over here right now I have got some beautiful flowers which are from Look Fantastic, because I'm actually an ambassador for them like over the summer, which was really sweet. They sent me some flowers. Deliberately not showing you the floor because we've still got boxes everywhere, and that is because, hang on, wait, let me just put you down for a second. Obviously with Corona and stuff, a lot of the furniture that we were looking at had really long delivery times, as in like couldn't be delivered until November. I kind of thought there wasn't a mad rush to get furniture because as in like you know, storage things. We've got a sofa and we've got like a bed, obviously, stuff like that, but we don't have any sort of downstairs storage like a sideboard or drawers or a TV stand. I know that all those things are not necessary, but I would just like some kind of storage things to put stuff in, and also to dress the room up a bit because at the moment it's still pretty bare. But yeah, because people weren't coming round because of Corona, I thought like there's no rush to do it. And then also the bits that I was looking at that couldn't be delivered for ages, and so I just kind of like decided to put it off. But finally ordered some furniture from Oak Furnitureland. Got in there with their summer sale. We actually got a really good deal on some stuff because we went into one of the stores, and apparently if you go into the stores, they can get you like better delivery slots because they can kind of override the system, and they give priority to the customers that go into store rather than ordering online. So we went into store and ordered some furniture. So on Tuesday of next week, today, oh, my Fitbit's run out of charge. On Tuesday, we have got a sideboard, a TV stand, and a chest of drawers coming for downstairs, which is very exciting. Although it might be a bit tricky because James is going to be at work. So I'm hoping that they can like bring it through. I don't know, I think they're allowed to do that now, because obviously when you order oak furniture, like solid wood furniture, it doesn't come flat packed. A lot of it doesn't anyway. And so there's no need to build it, but that means that it's incredibly heavy because you have to like lift it all in one piece. So I'm a little bit nervous about that. I might actually vlog that when it happens. So like, for example, we need something to put the Wi-Fi router on instead of just on the floor. Today's job is to paint the radiators because they stick out like a sore thumb. Oh, and the reason that I didn't vlog us painting this whole room is because James's mum actually helped us. She came and helped us paint and also re-wallpaper the bit above the fireplace because she knows how to do that and she offered to help. Wow, this is so wonky. And so obviously didn't want to shove a camera in her face, which is why I didn't, you know, film this room. But you've seen the colour in previous vlogs. It was kind of like a yellowy cream sort of colour, same as what the bedroom was. If you haven't seen already, I did a bedroom transformation on my main channel. Oh my god! The fuck was that? The door didn't even open, but it just made a really weird noise. Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. Anyway, so if you were wondering what colour we painted, this is probably so boring. This is the Dulux paint in rock salt, which is what we painted like all of in here. But today I went to home base and I got myself some gloss paint finally to do the radiators and doors and like skirting boards and stuff like that. Originally I didn't buy any paint for like radiators or like the doors or anything because I was like, nah, we won't need to do them. But then as soon as you start painting, you realise that everything looks yellow in comparison to the fresh paint. So I'm doing the radiators. Gonna do the doors eventually, but for now I'm just doing the radiators. And while I do it, I'm gonna sit and listen to Cece's video, her pregnancy Q&A. I'm so excited that she's having a baby and I've been loving all of her like vlogs about it. So that is my evening. So the radiators are done. It's now like midnight. I need to go and wash my hair. I've just cleaned my brush and everything. But yeah, they're looking so much better. I'm so happy that I did that because it just makes the room look a lot nicer, really. You see, not quite as yellow. Maybe it does need a second coat, but for now, I think it looks decent. I'm gonna go to bed now, but I'll probably see you guys on Tuesday when the new furniture gets here so I can show you that. See ya. Today is the day. I haven't even washed my face or done anything this morning because the time is currently 7:49. James has just left for work, which I'm hoping is not gonna be a problem. But the furniture is coming today and you may be wondering, Soph, where has your sofa gone? The sofa's now in here and we have pretty much stripped this room bare. So just a little bit of a change of circumstance, but also getting a new sofa today, so that's why the other one is over there. But yeah, we've got a new one coming from Furniture Village, and then the rest of the furniture is coming from Oak Furniture Land. Not sponsored or an ad or anything, paid for all of this stuff ourselves. Our time slot was between 7 AM and 10 AM. I was really hoping that they would come before James left for work, but that is not the case, so I'm really hoping that they'll be able to like come in and put the stuff down at least, rather than just leave it on my doorstep, because obviously I'm not going to be able to lift a piece of oak furniture by myself. Yep, here we go. Right, so I've got the furniture. We've got a sideboard, a TV stand, and a chest of drawers. I would sit down to film this, but I'm currently balancing you on one of the boxes. That was a really interesting experience. I think the guy was quite shocked at how young I was. Well, first of all, he was like, oh, do you have anyone that can help you? And I was like, oh, my boyfriend's just at work. And he was like, oh, is it just you here by yourself? And I was like, yeah, my boyfriend will be back from work soon. Yeah, he was just asking me a couple of questions which were a bit uncomfortable. Like if I do yoga to keep myself fit, and what month I was born, and if I'm a romantic person, and that my boyfriend is a lucky guy. Anyway, I have the furniture now, which is good. It's time to unpackage this stuff. How am I going to do this? I don't even know. I've still got to put the legs on. Wish me luck. So this is piece number one. This is the sideboard. However, I do have to put the legs on, but I think I'm gonna wait until James gets home because I don't want it to like topple over and squish me, because it's really, really heavy, but it's really nice. I really like it. I think it's gonna look so cool once we've got a TV stand over there. And then obviously a sofa in this space. Legs are actually inside the cupboard. But oh my god, I cannot tell you how nice it is to have furniture that comes like ready-made, that I don't have to make all the drawers for and make the cupboards for. I really like it. Put the legs on the TV stand. There's still like bits of foam all over the floor. I need to vacuum and stuff. But I'll do that after I've built the final one, or we have. We've definitely realized that this TV stand thing has got to go. I think we're gonna try and move it down onto the lowest setting and see if that works, because currently the TV looks like a robot with legs. And you're probably thinking, Soph, why are you getting a new sofa? Didn't you just get a sofa? Basically, it was always our plan to get a nicer sofa, but when we first moved in, because we moved in like peak pandemic, the delivery times for the sofas that we were sort of looking at were weeks, if not months. So we thought, okay, we'll get a cheap sofa, like a sofa bed that we could potentially use in a different room later down the line, or just like sell it or whatever. So we got a cheap sofa bed, which we were actually able to get, like, I think it was next day delivery, because that was like what was available, and we needed a sofa or something to sit on. But yeah, the type of sofa that we were kind of hoping for originally is arriving today, and we got it from Furniture Village, and we actually got it for a really good deal. It wasn't the exact one that we were originally looking at, just because the one that we decided to go for had like a big reduction on it because it was in the clearance, but it's still really, really nice, and I'm so excited to get it. So that was always the plan, to get like a cheaper sofa bed, and then later down the line get a better sofa when they were like, you know, ready to be delivered. And they did actually just call me and tell me that they're gonna be here in like half an hour, so I've also got to deal with the sofa without James. Wow, I'm so oily again. Why do I always leave it until like the very end of the day to start filming? Anyway, I didn't actually update you guys when the sofa arrived. The men that delivered the sofa were so nice. you know, they stayed strictly professional. It wasn't quite the one that we were originally looking at. The one that we were looking at was called the Comfy sofa, but we ended up going for the Legend because it was cheaper, and oh my god, I'm so happy with it. We just sat and watched on the TV. By the way, I lowered it, but I think we're definitely gonna get a new TV stand because it kind of looks like it's got little like legs. It looks like a robot that's on skis. But we just had our first evening watching TV on the sofa. We watched 2 episodes of Zac Efron's new show thing on Netflix. I haven't even showed it to you yet. Okay, I should probably move this. We took a picture on my disposable camera because I've still got like 3 pictures to use. But this is the sofa. You can still see the old sofa through there, and our little temporary table. This one will not be here for much longer. It's only like living in there for an extra couple of days. And then the next job is to get a dining table. But the sofa is just so squishy and so big and so comfortable, and I'm so happy with it. And we also got one of the like footrest things, which as you can see you can push into the middle, and then we just like laid down on it. Oh my god, it was so comfy. But this does move, so ideally you're supposed to kind of have it here, but we don't really have enough room for it. I do have shorts on, by the way. This is the sofa. It is so comfy. So just got to put legs on this, put legs on that one, and this is the new sofa. Oh, and tons of people were asking me what the tiny door is behind me in my Instagram picture. This is just a little like under the stairs cupboard. But yeah, I'm so happy with it. I think I'll just show you guys tomorrow once we've put the legs on the other bits, like show you what they finally look like, and then I guess that'll be it for the vlog because I think it's been quite a long one. Sorry. Hi guys, so I've realised when I've just come to edit this vlog footage that I have had for a while now, I will admit. It's actually a couple of weeks later. I just have not really been doing anything over the past few weeks that's been vloggable. Like literally nothing exciting has happened other than me seeing my friends and family, which obviously I'm not going to be vlogging, and then just a load of boring stuff really, like kind of behind the scenes stuff. I've had quite a few sponsorships recently, which has been good, but also busier than I have been used to, because over like the first 3 months of lockdown, all of my sponsorships kind of disappeared, other than the ongoing kind of like contracts that I had set in place for benefits, because I am a brow ambassador with them, and also the Body Shop as well. I'm like a 2020 ambassador for them. But other than that, I didn't really have any sponsorships going on. I didn't have any on my YouTube channel, so it was quieter for a while, which was quite nice actually, to just like focus and do my own thing. And then suddenly all the brands have kind of come back and been like, oh, you agreed to do this back in March or February, and now we want you to do it now. So it's been a little bit busier. Yeah, I haven't really been doing anything vloggable, but I realised I never actually finished this vlog. Also, I've just curled my hair with my air wrap, but when it's first done, it's kind of looking a bit too much for my liking. Some updates. As you can see, we've now got legs on the furniture. We've now got stuff in them. We've got some house plants, and one of the best bargains that we have got so far, we've actually got a dining table now, instead of my brother's old desk that we had for 2 months and the leg would fall off every time you moved it. That was our dining table for a while, but we managed to get a solid oak dining table with 6 chairs on Facebook Marketplace for a really good price. So obviously it is second hand, but it was in really good condition. It had a bunch of cup marks on it, you know, like when you put a hot mug down on a wooden piece of furniture and it makes like a ring round it. I looked up on YouTube how to fix that, and I actually managed to get rid of all of the cup marks. I posted a little TikTok about it, but I don't know how many of you follow me on TikTok. You just get a hairdryer and literally hold it over it on a hot setting for about 5 minutes, and the mug like hot ring marks disappeared. James's mum has actually said that she's going to recover the chairs for us. Actually, let me show you what it's looking like now. We are getting there, you know, with this room. It's looking so much better. I've still got a few bits and pieces that I need to sort, which are in boxes and stuff, but we are very nearly there. So this is how the TV stand ended up looking up. Obviously we've like wired it all in and everything now. I've got this little fake plant, which is from IKEA, which I really like. I like these kind of hanging plants. We're gonna get some art to go on this wall, and James's dad is actually making us a mirror to go above the fireplace because it is looking very bare at the moment. Got this lovely plant which was from James's sister and her boyfriend. Got another lovely plant which was from Nails Inc, I believe, in a PR package, which was very random but much appreciated, although it did arrive like a bit broken. So yeah, we have the sideboard unit, the TV stand. You can kind of have it on the end like that. It is supposed to go the other way round, but we don't have enough space for that. For now, we just have this coffee table from IKEA. There was some curtains here, which I got from, they're from a brand called, what is the brand? Can't remember, but I got them on Amazon. I will link them down below. They're actually pretty decent curtains. Like, they block out a lot of light for the price. My mum is currently altering these ones, which is why they're missing. But this is our dining table. This right here is a dishwasher, which we're getting installed next week. We still need to get some placemats and stuff. But yeah, this was an absolute bargain. It was £180, including the chairs, on Facebook Marketplace. So I would highly recommend you guys looking on there if you're looking for like furniture bits. And then there is a couple of boxes over this side, which we're just gonna ignore, which are like some bits that I'm going to sell on Depop and a couple of bits that I'm getting rid of. And then this is my lovely drawer unit, which has got some of my like makeup products in it and like some PR stuff, some random bits and pieces. I've got a few bits on the top here that I am about to take upstairs. And then obviously got my Cocoa Pops, which they go in this little nook because I eat them every single day. There's no point me taking them into the kitchen, then back again, then into the kitchen, then back again. They're just gonna stay here for now. And they've become a little feature in my vlogs apparently. So this is the downstairs for now. Well, like the living room for now. And I'm pretty happy with it so far. Not 100% perfect yet, but we're getting there. Tomorrow, it's actually been 3 months since we've been living in this house, which I find a little bit mad because it's been a quarter of a year. So I think I'm going to leave this here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't actually know if this was particularly exciting, to be honest. I can't even remember what footage I've got, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. And if something else exciting happens, then I will vlog it. But to be honest, for now, we're not doing anything crazy with the house. I don't think, not that this was crazy, but I don't really think there's that many updates to come with the house. Eventually, we want to do more stuff to it, but for now, like, we're pretty happy. It's perfectly livable, and I'm quite happy with the changes that we've made so far. Small changes, but good changes. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you're well, and I will see you in the next vlog. Goodbye. Oh, also as well, if there's anything else that you want me to vlog, like if you've got any ideas for things that you want to see me do in vlogs, let me know, because I mean, my life is pretty boring, to be honest, but let me know. Bye.